From its dramatic rock formations to its bustling marina, Cabo San Lucas is easily a favorite destination when visiting Mexico because it's just teeming with natural beauty. Join me as I share 3 picture-perfect locations that will make you feel like you're stepping into a vibrant postcard come to life. I'm Tiffany from Destination for Vacation. Thanks for joining me. Perched at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula, Cabo San Lucas is a feast for the eyes. With its sun-drenched landscapes and vibrant colors, it's a must-visit to truly get a sense of the Mexican Riviera. This is a marine lover's paradise. In fact, Jacques Cousteau once famously described the waters off Cabo San Lucas as one of the richest marine ecosystems on the planet. Whether you're stepping off a tender boat or simply strolling along the marina, don't miss the opportunity to peek into the pier's sun-dappled waters. You never quite know what you'll find. It's time to get those cameras ready for our first picture-perfect spot, Land's End. Here you'll see the distinctive rock formations that mark the southernmost tip of the Baja California Peninsula, including Cabo's famous limestone arch, known by the locals as El Arco, which was shaped by tidal and wind erosion over a period of 84 million years. Land's End is only accessible by boat, but thankfully there are plenty of options to choose from, accommodating every budget. From the moment you start sailing from the marina, you'll find more than a few curious and playful onlookers. As you make your way out to El Arco, you'll pass by Pelican Rock, where you might choose to do a little snorkeling. Or continue on until you reach Lover's Beach. This area is fronted by the Sea of Cortez. With its calm and soothing waves and soft beach sands, it's a popular spot for swimming and sunbathing. Continue on, and you'll reach the area where the tranquil waves of the Sea of Cortez give way to the mighty Pacific Ocean. Here's where you'll find El Arco, the last stretch of uninterrupted land reaching down from Alaska to the southern tip of the 800-mile-long Baja California Peninsula. Standing guard around El Arco are the friars, at least that's what writer John Steinbeck called them. While this entire group of granite formations is referred to as Land's End, this particular one, Cerro Blanco, is technically where the peninsula's land formally ends. As your boat curves around to the Pacific Ocean side, let your mind wander to the possibilities of hidden treasures and plunderers from days gone by when you spot the Pirate Cave. The rocks then open up to the expansive Divorce Beach, named for the rocky waves and strong rip currents in the area. Not a good place for swimming, but instead a spot to enjoy a stroll with some pretty majestic views. From December through March, whale watching is brought right to the area's doorstep. Witness majestic humpback whales just off the shore as they arrive for mating season. Many Land's End boat tours last about an hour, and you can add on snorkel or scuba experiences with organized guides. If you'd prefer to explore Lover's Beach at a leisurely pace on your own, water taxis are available for hire. No matter which way you decide to explore Land's End, you'll be surrounded by stunning natural beauty, both above and below the sparkling waters. Our second picture-perfect spot continues the theme of the colors of the sea, just in glass form. It's the glass factory. Opened in 1990 to supply local hotels and restaurants with glassware, it currently employs over 30 artisans who produce over 500 pieces every day. Lead-free recycled glass is used to create custom orders for businesses, as well as pieces that you can buy when visiting the factory. Mileage-wise, it is possible to walk to the glass factory from the marina area, but you might be better off hiring a taxi or an Uber to get you there. You can sign up for an organized shore excursion that includes the glass factory as one of their stops. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see this eclectic mix of architecture. Step inside and you're immediately greeted by the artisan's handiwork. But the real delights lie just a few steps beyond. Make sure to visit before 2 o'clock and you'll be treated to a fascinating demonstration. I won't give away what they're making here because that's part of the fun, but you'll be highly impressed by the skill and artistry involved in making every piece. Admission to the factory and its glass-blowing demonstrations is free, although tips are certainly appreciated. Just a few steps beyond, and you'll enter an area that feels, well, almost spiritual. Then it's on to the gift shop, if you're so inclined. The factory is clearly designed with the tourist in mind, yet I felt no pressure at all to buy anything and was welcome to take pictures of whatever caught my eye. Do make sure to take the time to walk around out front and admire the eclectic mix of sparkling artistry, especially when it's backlit by the sun. Our final stop provides a view of El Arco from the perspective of Playa Monumentos, which is considered a historical landmark. For the day tourist, the easiest way to do this is to visit Sunset Mona Lisa, which was opened over 30 years ago as a romantic beachside restaurant. It's positioned perfectly for phenomenal views. Visitors are welcome to enjoy a drink and walk around the property, or simply sit back, relax, and soak in the stunning scenery. Cruise ship passengers can usually find a 3-hour or more shore excursion that visits at least 2 of these picture-perfect spots at a pretty reasonable price, often less than $100 per person. Or you can hire an Uber or a taxi to take you to the glass factory in Sunset Mona Lisa, and then a boat at the marina to take you out to Land's End. Not only will you get fabulous pictures to remember your trip to Cabo by in any one of these 3 locations, but you'll be bringing back a sense of the vibrancy that is Cabo San Lucas, which is what traveling is all about. Thanks for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon in one of these videos. Until then, here's hoping your next adventure is just around the corner.